Hello everyone, we are Group 2. We all have worked on sustainable energy use and Bangladesh. Firstly, we have to know what is sustainability.
Sustainability is not just environmentalism. Sustainability is the process of living within the limits of available physical, natural, and social resources in ways that allow the living systems in which humans are embedded to thrive in perpetuity. Sustainable energy is the energy that powers the needs of current generation but maintains the ability to meet those of future generations. Sustainable energy is a part of the planet's structure, which implies it is replenished constantly via natural means.
Sustainable energy can be classified as renewable and non-renewable energy. Renewable energy, often referred to as clean energy, comes from natural sources or processes that are constantly replenished. For example, sunlight or wind keep shining and blowing even if their availability depends on time and weather. Non-renewable energy comes from sources that will run out or will not be replenished for thousands or even millions of years. Most sources of non-renewable energy are fossil fuel.
Available energy source in Bangladesh. The prospect of renewable energy in Bangladesh is very promising. Major sources of renewable energy in Bangladesh are as follows: solar, wind power, biomass energy, biogas energy, hydropower, geothermal energy, tidal power, ocean wave energy, etc. Bangladesh primary energy consumption timeline. In 2018, primary energy consumption for Bangladesh was 1.54 quadrillion BTU between 2019 and 2018. Primary energy consumption of Bangladesh grew substantially from 0.48 to 1.54 quadrillion BTU, rising at an increasing annual rate that reached a maximum of 10.228% in 2015 and then decreased to 5.19% in 2018.
Primary energy consumption pattern in Bangladesh. Natural gas, liquefied gas, coal, petroleum, solar energy, hydro energy, wind energy are the main available energy resources in Bangladesh. At present, energy consumption by fuel type natural gas is 65%, heavy fuel oil is 18%, high-speed diesel is 7%, power import is 5%, coal is 2%, and renewable energy is 3%. Renewable energy share in Bangladesh. Renewable energy in Bangladesh means generation of electricity from that energy. The present renewable energy comes from solar, wind, hydropower, biogas, and biomass. Following figure depicts hydro, which is about 51%, and solar power, which is about 48%, are major sources of renewable energy in Bangladesh. Other sources are too negligible to recognize.
Uses of renewable energies. Bangladesh can provide itself completely with self-produced energy. In 2015, renewable energies accounted for 34.7% of actual total consumption in Bangladesh. The following chart shows the percentage shared from 1990 to 2015. Impacts of using energy on nature. Fossil fuels have the capacity to generate large amount of energy and cost-effective, but it is hazardous and releases carbon dioxide and sulfur dioxide, which results in global warming and acid rain.
Electricity without emitting greenhouse gases, but it can damage wildlife habitat, harm water quality, obstruct fish migration, and diminish recreational benefits of rivers. Though wave energy creates no harmful byproducts, but it will harm marine ecosystem and it's only suitable for certain locations as it is dependent on its wavelength and density. One of the biggest ecological issues is an impact of wind turbines on bird populations. Birds can be injured or killed when they fly through blades of wind turbines.
Ensuring sustainability of energy resources. Using clean, renewable energy is one of the most important actions you can take to reduce your impact on the environment. Energy efficiency is a key step to reducing our impact on climate change and creating a sustainable energy future. Small changes in your habit can add up to big savings. Here are 5 actions you can take today to start saving energy. Use energy efficient lighting like compact fluorescent or LED light bulbs in your home and workplace. Turn down your water heater to the warm setting. Unplug your cell phone and laptop chargers when you are not using them. Use the energy savings settings on the appliances you have. Replace the filters in your furnace and air conditioner. The natural and energy resources should be used wisely, judiciously, preciously, and in such a manner that they are present for future generations to come as sustainable management. Thank you.